All right, we are here at the Hideaway, Royalton, Riviera, Cancun. We're in the Diamond Club. It's been a long travel day. We wanted to show you guys this room before we took a siesta. This is awesome. It's one of the presidential suites, room number 1406. So, we come in, and we're gonna tell you all about it.
Welcome to our room for the next week, presidential suite. We're going to start with our bathroom. This is the first of 2 bathrooms. Why 2 people need 2 bathrooms? Don't know, but I'm loving it. It's a little small, but it does the trick. It's a full bath. I'll let Ken in so he can show you around.
Take a look here. So we do have a full toilet there. Nothing spectacular, does the trick though. And then, bam, an awesome shower with the rain head, plenty of space. It has all of their Royalton conditioner, shampoo, body wash. You don't need to bring your own. Oh, there's also this rain head over here too. Almost missed that. All right, pretty nice.
You probably noticed the view behind me. It is ocean view, but we'll get to that later. Here we have a closet. The lights automatically come on. There's a complimentary umbrella to use during your stay in case you have a little downpour on your way to dinner, as well as a safe. Ooh.
Perfect.
Okay. That opens up into our living, dining, bar or kitchenette area.
Decent sized TV here.
Yeah, definitely. Nice sized TV. Lounge area with a couch. Perfect for enjoying the view and
room service.
Seeing a movie or room service. Our complimentary champagne and bottle of wine, along with some fruit. I'm going to make my husband feed me later. So then the bar comes with chairs for seating. So if you wanted to just sit at the bar and have a drink, or maybe even have a breakfast, that's an option. It does come with wine and more champagne. They'll be bringing up a few bottles of alcohol later today, ones that we have requested. We have snacks here as well as a mini bar that is restocked daily. And if there's something you enjoy more than something else, you can just ask. There's also, which is really uncommon in resorts, is a microwave. Don't know when we're going to need to heat something up, but just in case.
Never know.
You never know. We have that, and this very nice, it looks like an espresso machine to make premium coffee drinks.
Pods.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All right, coming into the bedroom, it's massive. We have a corner unit that shows ocean views from many different angles. So what's not to love? The room comes with a complimentary room spray. It's aromatherapy room spray, so you just kind of spray that over your vents and it freshens up the whole room. As well as a beach bag that you can take home with you. It's yours. Another big TV, nice vanity area. If you just wanted to sit and do some work. If you had to work during your vacation, but we don't plan on doing that. All right, moving into the master suite bathroom. This room is humongous. You may hear me echoing in here because it's just that big. One of the features I like the most is this nice vanity section for doing makeup and somewhere to store all of your makeup while you're on your trip. All your hair supplies, everything can be tucked away nice and neat so you don't clutter up the space. We have another closet. So in here we have drawers, yet another safe, a steamer, some complimentary slippers, and additional pillows up top, along with robes that you can use.
Very good closet.
Yes. The next door, because we have three, no frills here, just the commode. So, but I like that it's private, has its own door, so even if someone's using the restroom, you could still be in here doing what you need to do. And last, we have last door, we have the shower. And so we have that same mosaic tile pattern, but if you notice, there's two rain heads with their own controls here on the wall, and a bench. And then we have a nice big jet soaking tub with an amazing view of the ocean.
Ocean's a little brown today. Today is the day after Hurricane Beryl just hit here. It was hit yesterday morning throughout the day, but stirred up quite a bit of seaweed and dirt and debris and things like that. But hopefully when you come and stay, it'll be a little more gorgeous.
And then I'm sure Clint got it, but there's a nice sitting bench here, dressing bench, so that when you're getting toweled off and getting dressed, you have somewhere to sit or set your clothes out while you're getting ready. So then we have a nice balcony that wraps around, and I'm gonna have Clint go out this door and I'll have him meet me around the other side.
All right, this is the balcony here. We did not get the poolside view, so we're watching the other resorts, their play area, but I'm not too worried about that. This is the view you want to see, ocean view. There's a nice table out here if you want to come out for whatever reason. And this balcony, look at this, check it out, wraps all the way around. We got lounge chairs, 2 seats, multiple entrances. This
table for breakfast.
Yes, mini table out here for breakfast, table around the corner. Gorgeous just view of the beach. Yes, as far as the eyes can see.
Ocean.
All right, and then after that wraps around, it comes back in to the living area where we started at. One more treat though.
I know, you're probably thinking, how could this room get any better? These stairs lead to better.
And look at here. Rooftop pool action with a view. This is our own private pool on the rooftop. It is absolutely gorgeous. We have this big balcony area, more loungers, more seating areas. I can't wait to bring a speaker out here at night, take in some of these ocean views while listening to some good music, lounging in the pool.
Oh, and the water's not too hot, but it's not cool either. It's like a nice, cool temperature.
All right, that's our room. That is 1406 at the Hideaway, Royalton Riviera Diamond Club.